2023 Super Nautique G23, sitting in a mystic white hull and interior deck, has a jet black rear accent stripe and a victory red metallic main stripe. Also has chrome or bright Chromax Super Nautique decals on the side. Has the telescoping tower package in jet black, which comes with a full frame bimini top, surf pockets, rotating clamping board racks, 4 JL 880 MX tower speakers, and a Nautique awareness camera. This is a 188-hour boat in excellent condition. It's a boat we sold new, have done all the service on, and will go out the door as a certified pre-owned unit. It sits on a black tandem axle boatmate trailer with black wheels, spare tire, and bow ladder. We also did 30% window tint on the windshield. Boat was just detailed. We'll have a fresh service with fluids, filters, and new impeller. And we'll be ready to hit the water. Gel is in immaculate condition. This is equipped with Nautique surf system and surf exhaust, and then the optional stern thruster as part of the Nautique integrated steer assist, and a platform mounted ladder. This thing cleaned up really nice for us. It's a really pretty boat. Black and red and white always looks good. Let's jump inside, check out the interior of the G23. And to start, on the transom, we do have transom seating with a stereo remote on the transom. There's cup holders all around and a built-in cooler in our rear step. Interior vinyl in haze gray as the main, has white softmax main accent here with red piping and secondary accent. It also has tungsten gray seat boxing, which is in the true weave material, so you get some nice texture through the boat, which gives it a little depth and a really nice look. And lastly, it has red stitching. See, so there's really nice stitching accents throughout the boat as well. It does have titanium gray sea deck throughout on the floors in your storage compartments. Speaking of storage, this boat has tons of it, with everything ballast-wise being subfloor. So you have all the room in the world for gear. This boat has the supplemental ballast option, so we have 5 ballast locations. Again, all subfloor for a total, I believe it's 3,650 pounds. This is equipped with the ZZ6 engine. It's a 450 horsepower direct injection, and it is, again, fully serviced with 188 hours on it. Very nice. Nice walkthrough leads us into the interior, where we have the step down onto the rear seat. Here's a nice close look at that true weave material on the seat boxing. Really nice textured vinyl. Looks really pretty. You can open up our storage compartments with communicating storage into the back. That's on either side of this rear seat. Now the rear seat does slide back and open, and you have a nice rear facing bench right there. When you're done, fold her flat, lift and push, and boom, it's back in place. Port side has a flip up seat right here. We also have that on the other side. I think I just said port side, I meant starboard side. Boom. Fold that flat as well. This does have the cup holder lighting package. See that in red. And then your Nautique logos on the seat. and the very back of the boat are also backlit to match, which is really cool. Telescoping tower, again, we have those 4 JL 880 speakers. Each pair is in an enclosure, and it has that down-facing lighting and a nice upholstered panel to kind of accent everything, which looks great. This does have the climate features in terms of heated seats, heaters, and a pocket door air dam that closes off the walk-through to the bow. So you've got a little bit of season extension there with the climate features, which is really, really nice. One thing I did notice on the floor in the main area is we have a small nick in the sea deck right here. And then beyond that, I've been trying to be nitpicky. It's not much to see, but there is a little bit of a little chip in this Nautique logo on the seat where the paint's starting to flake off. We can open up the storage compartment underneath. We have we'll have a trash can that goes here, but your amps and subwoofer for your stereo is here. This has the Studio Elite package, so you have a 12-inch sub here, 12-inch sub under here, and then you get the wavefront speakers up top to fill out the sound really nicely behind the windshield. Glove box, we can open that. Some storage in here, as well as your head unit for your stereo, and the toggle switch for the heated love seat. As we make our way over to the helm, driver's seat's in excellent condition. Again, it's heated. And then we have our tandem spoke leather steering wheel, the stitching on the inner part, which looks awesome. Vinyl wrapped storage compartment on the left. Phone holder / drain plug holder on the left as well. And then the Link Panorama screen tucked in nice and low on the right side. You have full functionality via touch, or you can use the dial over here at the helm command to kind of navigate the screen. This does have the map card, overhead lighting, again, heated seats, heater, docking lights, courtesy lighting, all the ballast, and our stereo can be controlled through here as well. Wireless phone charger down here for the driver. And last thing behind the windshield is a drop-in cooler, which will go in there. I'm videoing this with a lot of the stuff having been stripped out of the boat when we detailed it, but we're just knocking it out. Nice wraparound seating in the bow. Great usable storage on either side, as you can see. Boom, boom. Some of the sea deck has some nicks and marks in under here, but that's kind of out of sight and out of mind when the seats are folded flat. And yeah, just a really nice G23, lightly used. This will make a really nice setup for somebody with some remaining warranty, coverage, and fresh service. This is good to go for the whole summer. Nicely equipped with the thruster, the telescoping tower, and the Studio Elite stereo. That's all the big ticket options that you can get on the G23. This one has them all. So hit us up here at N3 Boatworks if you'd like more info on this gorgeous G23. You can reach us at 317-845-9253. Thanks for watching.